Hi. So the goal for today is to handle the reset password functionality, and we already have here the reset password page. So if you come here, login, forget password, already, great. Reset password functionality, we repeat the email, and if we come here, we have everything that's needed. Start. So for this, let's create our service and our create a sync tank in our slice. So starting with a service, the service is going to be the same as the other ones. Going to be a post request when we need to pass some data. So let's say that is a password. We are going to receive the user data. We are going to use the post request, paste here the reset password, and the activation link is going to be reset password URL. So that one. And here we say reset password. But now you can also finish all the functionality in the service. So here it's going to be reset password confirm, and we need to change the URL. The URL is that one. I think I did something I was not supposed to. Okay, this is the reset password. Activate URL. So copy. Let's copy the URL to the wrong function. So let's see again. Yeah, here. Now we add here the reset password confirm. So let's check if everything is correct. Is it supposed to be? Also okay. And it one also looks okay. So going for the slice now. So the function here is going to be the same as activate, because it's a post. We're going to parse user data and thank API. And do here. So here you want reset password, the name of the function going to be the same. Auth reset password. The service now it's going to be auth service reset password, and that's it. Same thing for reset password confirm. So you come here, reset password confirm, and the name we have to change is here. Same here. Get message. Yeah, everything looks okay. So now let's handle our add cases. So for this, and copy it once here. Here we don't need anymore these, or is the case like this that way. And let's change the name. That password is that password is that password. So this is for the reset password. So let's handle now the case for actions for reset password confirm. Confirm. give me an error. I think we have to match parentheses, curly brackets, and everything seems to work fine. Okay, so let's start to add the functionality in the reset password on the front end, and after we do for the reset password confirm. So for this, after slice has been created, we come to the reset password. So here, more of the same. So here you want to import the use navigate rather down. We also from regex import use. Need to be easier that way. Import spinner. That means we need more boost and this effect and use state. Okay, so we have here the form that are being handled. And here below our email, we can go for dispatch, use dispatch, and use navigate. And here when const is loading from the use selector, state.out, and from here we want to retrieve the success is loading, is error, and the message is success and the message. Okay, all of that done. Let's handle or submit. Let me see if we okay, it's here and submit. So const user data that I'm going to be just an object with our email. And after we went to dispatch the reset password that we have to import. I think it was auto imported now. The password, yeah, it's auto imported. You can see here. And after this, I think we just have to handle the use effect. So this going to be equal use effect. Going okay. Okay, for the dependencies. And after we do this is why I want navigated. Let's go navigate to the home page. After action is triggered, and our dependencies to be an array is error, is success, message, navigate, and dispatch. Here you want also trigger. This is I forgot to give is error post error message, and if success is what we want to call. Navigate post success. Let's reset password email has been sent to you. Okay, so I think we have everything. So let's come here to our admin. It's also mail drop. Okay, so yeah, right here in the inbox. Let's say the users. So which one do we want? It is good because I even don't remember their emails. Let's go for create emails, no, the password. Create the tool, let's say login. Say we forget the password. So let's go reset password. Reset password and wrongly spelled has been sent. That is success, so at least it's a good thing. And there we have our reset password functionality. And now we click in this link, nothing is going to happen. Going to page not found 404. So this is what we have to create now. So where should I start? I can create already the reset password page confirm .jsx. Okay, and I have CE is going to be the page. Now you're coming here to app.jsx. You want here the dashboard. You want here. Okay, so the name of this part is going to be the one that's already named. So if we come here, password reset confirm. Okay, so this is how we are going to name this here. So it's going to be copyright, copy, password reset confirm, and that's it. Just now need to add parameters, the ID, and the token, which are going to be the X1 that are going to be accepted. So here is going to be password confirm page, the password confirm has been imported. Import the password confirm page, and for some reason, make a typo. I think now it's working how it should be. So let's create the functionality in our page, which is that one. So here, similar to the activate page, we're going to need the use params, because these are the params that we want to get. So use params. Also, we need more here. Import post. Import post. Add justify. Import use selector. Say use selector. Use dispatch from React Redux. But we need more. Import the reset password confirm. And also an icon. So for these, add the icons. Let's create block. So we want to import these from React icons. AI slash AI. Okay, this is done. So now let's retrieve. What did I do in the web page? Okay, I use the YD and the token and the dispatch. Okay, so let's follow a similar pattern. So first let's get our data. We're going to retrieve in the structure the UID and the token from various params. Remember the name of these has to be the same as the one we named here. So I'll keep going. But we want also, okay, for this in the form data, form data, set form data. Here is just one, two things going to be in the here the use state. Use state and the use effect. Okay, after this is use state here and initial that is going to be an object. It's going to be new password and new password. How is that? Something don't seem pretty right. Forgot what we want is empty in the beginning and here the comma. Okay, why is that? So as you can see, when we make a post request in the API to our backend server, what we want to pass is the ID, the token, the new password, and the renew password. So here just decide to name the same, so to avoid problems in passing the data after. So now let's call our navigate. That's going to be equal to use navigate for dispatch. Use dispatch and get our information. It's going to be the same. You can just actually copy a lot of things here. Copy these or handle change, even our handle submit. Let's copy all of this. Avoid repetition. And let's copy that the right way. Okay, one thing is good. Not just me add the is loading functionality. So here is loading is equal to true. I want to this is when the spinner. There is it. So okay, will not change main functionality. Just starting the spinner and where I was. Okay, so here is going to be the same. Then I'll change when target the value. You don't need to log this anymore because you know that's working. Just one for confirmation debug purpose. So here the functions that we are going to need. Here we have to import the password confirm. Okay, imported. So I come here. And here you want to pass the reset password confirm, going to pass the user data. But here the user data going to be equal to the YD, the token, the new password, the new password. Let's just from here, the structure. Structure this, and the new password from the form data. Okay, so here, then I'll submit. I think it's right. For use navigate, going to be the same thing. You're going to say your password. Reset successfully. Okay, I think all the functionality is here. Now we have to handle. You see, okay, we have to handle the look of that page, of this. Okay, as you can see already, I have here something. So it's going to be similar to the, actually it's going to be very similar to the login. So let's come here, login. We are going to copy all of this, here, copy, and we put here in our page. Okay, we have the spinner, here the logo. It's going to be that one. Yeah, lock. So here is loading spinner value. Now here it's going to be different. So it's going to be the new password from here and the new password. New password, new password, right? New password. So we don't link this anymore. And also it's fine. Page loading is fine. The here is that password confirm. Let's see how it look like. Say is that password here. We have the functionality, but now it's not going to be an email. It's going to be type password. It's going to be like this. Type password, name, password, even new password, new password. It looks like placeholder. New password, new password. Confirm new password. I think we can test now our functionality, because if everything is correct, we have this account already settled. So we are in the link, we have everything. So if this code it's working how it was supposed to do, if we click here in not login, reset password, if we click here in reset password, we are going to trigger that dispatch that's going to send the information that we put here. So the ID and the token we already have retrieved from here. After this, we have to just add the new password, the new password that it's been handling from our handle change. That's going to trigger the dispatch, going to trigger that function here, the slice, reset password confirm that we are going to call our service here, going to post a request on an API, and going to change the password in our database. Let's see if everything is working correct. So here also forgot to input type is password. So saving. Let's say the password is going to be pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It was this. Clicking password and something is not working where it was supposed to be. Okay, spinner is not defined. Okay, good to know. Word spinner. But at the same time, saying that password was reset successfully. So the problem is only the spinner. We come here to the main tab, and yeah, your password has been changed. So it's good. It's good. So it means that we finished all the functionality. So let's come here, Freddy Saturn. Let's say login. Let's come here to Freddy Saturn. Let's come here in now sign up in login. Enter Freddy Saturn. Let's Freddy Saturn. Let's add our new pass. It was pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not a good password. It's just for test purpose. Come in login and request failed. Code forbidden. Let me try again without capital letter. Okay, and the problem it was this. I just used capital letter at first, and it was without capital letters. So yeah, so everything is done now. So now we created here a bulletproof system authentication where we have the logout functionality, where we can sign up and register new users. You also have the login to authenticate in our app. So if we forget the password, we can request for a reset password using our email input. And after this, we also have the functionality of resetting, confirming the password using this link. Resetting the password using this link. Yeah, and I think that's it, guys. So this is how we create a full authentication system using Django and React. And I hope this tutorial series was very helpful to you guys, for me to be very helpful at the time. And if you do the authentication is something that you are going to do in many, many projects. So after you do this, you do in more one or two, and it's going to be automatic to do them after. And I really hope that you found that tutorial series enjoyable and valuable. And before finish, let's do something that we kept forgetting doing. So it's going to be git add. Yeah, we have a lot to add in the git. Let's say here commit. Here I'll say that it will be the reset password functionality, but I haven't commit for a long time. So content authentication. Authentication. And committing this. And yeah, all this information, the code will be also in the Git repository if you want to. So thank you for being here. if you liked the series, like the video, share, and subscribe. And see you in a new tutorial series when I will create a new one. Bye.